Earth Overshoot Day 2021 has arrived. What does it mean for the planet? This article was a few days old. The date's already passed on July 29th, but it's still good information nonetheless. While the pandemic had humanity burning up the world's resources more slowly than usual, the trend has reversed. Earth Overshoot Day, alas, arrived yesterday on July 29th. If you're not familiar with this day, it's the date that humans' use of ecological resources and services exceeds what Earth can generate in a year. Last year, thanks to global lockdowns, Earth Overshoot Day fell on August 22nd. Although the pandemic is still raging in many countries, the world has somehow crept back to where we were in 2019. With almost half a remaining year, we will already have used up our quota of Earth's biological resources for 2021, said Susan Atkin, leader of Glasgow City Council, as reported by EcoWatch. If we need reminding that we're in the grip of a climate and ecological emergency, Earth Overshoot Day it is. Another way to look at the data is that humanity is using nature up 1.7 times faster than Earth can regenerate its ecosystems. At this rate, we will need 1.7 planets to sustain our environmentally reckless lifestyle. Carbon emissions are still a little behind 2019 highs, but if you've been in the U.S. airport lately, you've probably noticed it looks as busy as before the pandemic. There's a mood of wanting to go back to normal, and normal for many people means using a lot of resources. Rather than recognize this as a reset moment, governments have been eager to get back to business as usual. Global emissions are already creeping back up to pre-pandemic levels, says Stephanie Fieldstein, Population and Sustainability Director of the Center for Biological Diversity, as reported by EcoWatch. The National Footprint of Biocapacity Accounts graph released by Global Footprints Network reveals the huge disparity in Earth Overshoot Day if you slice and dice data by country. Qatar overshoots on an astounding February 9th, with the U.S. and Canada not far behind on March 14th. Countries that come closer to making their resources last a full year include Ecuador, which makes it to December 7th, and Indonesia on December 18th. Another of Global Footprints Network's interesting charts asked how many Earths we would need if the world population lives like different countries. If everybody resourced parties like the U.S., we'd need 5 whole planets. But if everyone lived as people do in India, we could survive 7/10 of Earth.